Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. Our today discussion topic is the access modifier used in the Java programming. Let us discuss about what is access modifier and what are the different types of access modifiers which are used in the Java. So basically, the definition of an access modifier first we will see. So the definition of access modifier is that access modifiers is the keywords which defines the accessibility of class and the data members or the methods inside the class to the other class or other packages. So it will define the accessibility of the class method and the data member. It means that we can specify the accessibility of those data members. So this is called as access modifier. So basically there are four access modifiers in Java. So first one is that public access modifier. Another is that another is protected access modifier, another is default access modifier, and last one is that private access modifier. So in Java, the basic structure is that first is Java project. After in the Java project, there are various packages. Inside the packages, we will create various classes, and inside the class, we will write the data members. And inside the class, we will also have the methods, various codes. So inside it also the main method which is the entry point of the in the Java, it will execute our code, and our main method is always public. So this is the flow of Java program. So in this, the access modifiers are the keywords which specify or defines the accessibility or who can access the particular package or particular methods or particular data members or particular classes inside the class or inside the package or access from another package. So it will all defines by the access modifiers. So we will understand first is public access modifier. The public access modifier is accessible to whole class, to other packages also. In other it is accessible inside the package and inside the class, inside various classes, and other various packages outside from the package. It will be accessible when the data members are public or the class is public or the method is public. So it will be easily accessible when we use the public keyword before the method or before the class or before the data members. So this is public access modifier. Another is that second one is that protected access modifier. The protected access modifier, we will access only from the package. So it will be only accessible from the package. Another is that private access modifier. Private access modifier, the only data members are private and the method is private. So it will be accessible only the only the class. Within the same class we will access this private protected access modifier is a little bit similar to the default access modifier. So this is all about the access modifiers. Thank you so much.